Hey guys, so today we're talking about Ford Escape hybrid battery replacement. We're going to be going over cost, cells, lifespan, all the information you need to know. So if you're watching this video right now, maybe your Ford Escape hybrid battery just went bad, and I'm sorry if that's you, or maybe you're considering buying a Ford Escape, but you heard that these battery costs can be super expensive, so you're a bit hesitant to doing so. But today we're gonna break that all down and give you all the information you need to know. So let's just get right into it. So Ford Escape made two different types of batteries, okay? So one was from 2005 to 2009, and the second model was from 2010 to 2013. Okay, so this is what the battery pack looks like itself. They're nickel-metal hydride cells all along through the pack, well actually modules, and there's going to be 30 inside of the pack itself. You have the fan right here, which basically sucks in air, pushes it into the battery to keep it cool. And yeah, so this is actually what the cells look like inside of the battery, right? So this is a remanufactured cell, and we found that this wasn't the best solution. Okay, so these batteries that Ford made weren't able to hold the charge, and there were a few other things that they weren't able to do very well. So we kind of came up with our own solution. We've been doing it for I think over a year now, and we've had very little problems. So what the big difference is anytime you buy a remanufactured battery from Ford, right, whether it's a 2005 to 2009 model or 2010 to 2013, you're getting a cell, right, that is over 10 years old, potentially 15 years old basically. So remanufactured batteries can still last a long time. For example, for a Prius, they can last, up to 8 to 10 years. But these cells aren't very good, and if you're buying any one of these remanufactured cells from anybody, they're going to be very old. So let's get down to lifespan, right? So Ford Escape hybrid batteries tend to last anywhere from 8 to 10 years on average, depending on the climate and where you live. Like if you live somewhere hot like California, Arizona, Texas, Florida, the batteries degrade and they die in heat. So that could be a big factor for your battery's lifespan, okay? A couple other things you should know about the battery replacement itself is it's actually very simple. So it's kind of in the trunk of your Ford Escape, right? So if you pop open the trunk and you're putting stuff in the trunk, right below there is where this battery lies for both of the models, right? So we have two different options. We have an 18-month warranty, and then we also have a 36-month warranty. It's pretty simple. If your battery dies, you don't have to pay a shop for a diagnostic, $150, $200, whatever the dealership charges. We have a free diagnostic service. We can come out to you, your home, office, shop, business, wherever it is, a Walmart parking lot for all we care. We can diagnose the car and also mobily get the installation done, or you can come to one of our 34 locations across the United States. And a couple other things you should know about the battery. If you look right here, right, all along the side of the battery, this is like basically the case, and there's a lid that goes over it. We don't currently have the lid on top of it right now, just because we thought it'd be kind of cool to have all this kind of wires and stuff popping out right now. But yeah. And if you guys have any other questions about like the Ford Escape hybrid battery, how many modules, how many cells, you can drop it in the comments. We're actually running a deal right now for a winter sale. So if you want to buy a Ford Escape hybrid battery, or you're considering just looking at the price of how much it is online, if you click the link in our bio, greentechauto.com, you'll be able to see the battery, the price, the warranty, all the information you need to know. And yeah, let's get you back on the road with confidence.